Create a new reality with this simple technique to help you manifest anything you desire in 24 hours or less. Did you know that you can shape your reality and achieve your dreams by taking control of your beliefs and thoughts? We all are a tiny version of the entire universe, and the universe is within you. This means you are a co-creator of your life, your journey, everything. Your beliefs shape your thoughts shape your feelings, and your feelings connect you to what you want to manifest. See, manifestation is a basic concept. However, Neville Goddard has an important warning for us to be very careful of what we say, because our entire world is a reflection of our inner conversations. Think about that for a moment. Everything around you is a result of your inner dialogue being pushed out into the world. If your inner talk is negative, defeated, or unresourceful, that's what you're manifesting. The key to manifesting is creating an inner dialogue that inspires the feelings you want to experience. When you change your inner story, manifesting becomes easy and free-flowing. You have the power to manifest anything within 24 hours once you master this rare and secret technique. In today's video, I will show you how to shift your inner dialogue and personal story to start manifesting what you deserve and desire. Your old dialogue, beliefs, and story about yourself are useless when it comes to manifesting something spectacular. So, what stories are keeping you stuck? Think about them. Most of them are based on fear, doubt, guilt, and shame. These limiting beliefs have been with you for so long that they're hardwired into your brain. Don't worry, because we're going to cleanse your subconscious from its depths and change your mindset completely. So, let's get started. But first and foremost, it's really important to understand that your subconscious mind dictates your reality. We all have grown up in a different environment. However, we all have heard the same dialogue when we're growing up. Money is difficult to earn. All money does not grow on trees. Think about this. If your reality is filled with guilt, shame, doubt, lack of confidence, fear, and anxiety, that's exactly what you're going to manifest. If your inner dialogue is about being poor, you'll always struggle with money, even when you have some. If your inner dialogue tells you that you're not worthy of love, or that you're not loved or cared about, you'll keep attracting the wrong people into your life. People who don't want to commit to a deep, loving relationship. So it's crucial to change that inner story to manifest the life you truly desire. Let's start transforming that inner dialogue into something that lifts you and makes you feel empowered. The first step is all about self-love, which is super important. Instead of being mad at yourself, try to pay attention to your thoughts. One way to do this is by carrying around a small notebook like this one and jotting down your thoughts and feelings whenever they pop up. It's like taking a snapshot of what's going on in your mind. By doing this, you can see what's going on inside your head. You become like a detective checking out your thoughts and feelings. This helps you understand yourself better and figure out what might be holding you back. It's a way of taking control and becoming more aware of the stories you're telling yourself. Be a good observer of the story you're telling yourself. Remind yourself that this is an old story, an outdated story, an old movie with old dialogue. Now you are creating new dialogue, a new story, a new destiny for your life, a perfect destiny. It's important to love yourself and feel good about who you are, the thoughts you're thinking, and the story you're creating. Focus on the life you are now living, not the life you're going to live. Think about the person you are now, the abundance you have now. Move on to the second step, creating a new story and a new inner dialogue. This is about defining what your life is about, who you are, what your strengths are, where you're going, and what you're manifesting. Your new story shall include your wish fulfilled. What does your life look and feel like when you have exactly what you desire? Spend time on this vision. This is the inner dialogue you want to have with yourself. Tell the story of already having what you want. Match your thoughts and speech so that you say, I have, not I want or I hope. Speak and think as if you've already manifested what you desire. The universe operates solely in the present tense. It doesn't understand past or future tense. It only recognizes what's happening right now. That's why it's crucial to frame your affirmations and thoughts about your desired life in the present tense. When you visualize or affirm what you want, make sure to do it as if it's already happening in the present moment. Instead of saying, "I will have," or "I hope to have," say, "I have," or "I am." For example, when I was working on a business deal and some partners were hesitant, I focused on the outcome as if it was already happening. I acted as if we were already in business, making money, and everything was flowing perfectly. And guess what? It worked out. Think with the end in mind. Instead of saying, "I want money," say, "I enjoy having all the money I need." Instead of thinking, "I want my dream vacation," think, "I love spending time on a yacht or a beach." So whether you're visualizing your dream job, perfect relationship, or financial abundance, always speak and think of it as if it's happening right now. This subtle shift in language and mindset can make a profound difference in how quickly you manifest your desires. Change your inner dialogue and story. Do this anywhere, anytime, while driving, walking, working out, or whenever you can. The more you do it, the more you become it, and as you become it, the universe will match what you are. Now let's dive into the third step, asking yourself some powerful questions. Imagine you're already where you want to be. What would your thoughts be like? What would your inner dialogue and story about yourself sound like? Think about it. What if you knew you couldn't fail? What if you knew your specific person couldn't live without you? What if money were no object? What if everything you desired manifested in your life in 24 hours or less? As you ponder these questions, you realize that you have the power to go beyond your doubts and limitations. You understand that by changing your inner dialogue and the story you tell yourself about this relationship, you can shift your reality. So you start practicing these changes every day. You focus on feeling loved, worthy, and deserving of this relationship. You visualize yourself already in it, experiencing all the joy and fulfillment it brings. And you know what? You start to see changes. Maybe you receive a message from your specific person expressing their feelings for you. Maybe you have a chance encounter that leads to a deeper connection. Or maybe you simply feel more confident and at peace, knowing that your desired outcome is on its way. Remember, time is just a concept. Whether it happens in an hour, 12 hours, or within 24 hours, doesn't matter. What matters is that you continue to believe in yourself and the power of manifestation. Keep practicing, keep visualizing, and keep aligning your thoughts and actions with your desired reality. You have the power to go beyond your limitations, doubts, and beliefs through the conversations you have with yourself and the stories you tell about yourself. Be the person you desire to be and live the life you desire to live. If you want to explore more on this journey, check out some of the other videos. Keep manifesting and keep believing in yourself.